The Image Analytics feature in FarmShots can be found within the Farms dashboard and within a farm tile. This feature can also be found when viewing images by clicking the bar graph icon in the upper right-hand corner. The new time series feature within Analytics can be selected in the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner. The images that pre-populate the graph data can be adjusted within the Options menu based on cloud coverage and date range. Next, we will select our field, which will then pre-populate graphs on the right-hand side based on average and variability of NDVI red values. Each data point within the graph can also be hovered over to view additional details. Histograms are also available in the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner. Likewise, the same options to customize the images available are selected on the left-hand side, and once an image is selected, we can then see the histogram on the right-hand side.